best part of 30 years, I've been looking for something better than Bowen, and I've not found that yet.
I think people should have regular Bowen, even if they're not feeling any symptoms, because it's a therapy that really looks at the whole.
Working as a physiotherapist and a chiropractor and being used to do mainly adjustments, I'm treating quite 98% of my patients with Bowen only.
But I'm fortunate enough to deal with a lot of top-end athletes, so ballet dancers, Highland dancers, rodeo riders, motocross, everything else. So when I do treatments for them, they will give me honest feedback.
What people require is repair of injury. No other treatment that I am aware of does it as well as Bowen Therapy.
So we can address things like compartment syndrome, ITB issues in the leg, tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, really easy to fix. I work with a lot of swimmers, so rotator cuff injuries and strains. Traditionally could see an athlete out for 6 weeks or more.
I was part of the medical team with the Brisbane Bullets, and times there where we had players that had sprains and strains that, for all intents and purposes, wouldn't be able to get back out onto the court. And I've been able to apply Bowen and have them mechanically function without any restriction or limitation.
I had no feeling in these 3 fingers, they were numb. 2 months of complete useless use of my arm. In 1 session of Bowen Therapy, I actually regained complete mobility and strength back into this arm. 2 of those fingers completely had come back to normal. This one was 80%.
Other modalities, we work across fibre compared to a lot of others work along the fibre. And that's probably the simplest explanation I give, and most people just go, oh yeah, and get on the table.
They might have a whiplash injury from a tackle or a fall. We can get them back quicker than they'll get back from the concussion.
It's just letting the body do the work itself, and once it's done, it's done.
The benefit that you get from the Bowen is quite profound. So it works at all levels.
I highly recommend Bowen Therapy.